Lemon Plant Care Tips for Beginners, Complete Guide to Growing Lemon in Pots. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share a complete beginner-friendly guide on how to care for a lemon plant, especially if you are growing it in a pot at home. Lemon plants are one of the most rewarding fruit plants you can grow. They smell amazing, look beautiful, and provide fresh lemons right from your garden or balcony. Let's start from the basics. First, sunlight is extremely important for lemon plants. Lemon trees love full sun. They need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. If your plant does not receive enough sunlight, it may grow slowly, drop leaves, or fail to produce fruit. So always place your lemon plant in the sunniest spot available. Now let's talk about soil. Lemon plants need well-draining soil. The biggest mistake beginners make is using heavy soil that holds too much water. This can cause root rot. A good potting mix should include garden soil, compost, and sand or perlite for drainage. The soil should feel light and crumbly, not sticky. Watering is another very important factor. Do not water your lemon plant daily without checking the soil. Always touch the top 1 to 2 inches of soil. If it feels dry, then water deeply. If it still feels moist, wait another day. Overwatering causes yellow leaves and root problems, while underwatering causes leaf drop and dryness. Now let's discuss fertilizing. Lemon plants are heavy feeders because they produce fruit. To keep your plant healthy, feed it every 3 to 4 weeks during the growing season. You can use organic compost, vermicompost, or a balanced citrus fertilizer. If you notice yellow leaves with green veins, your plant may have a nutrient deficiency, especially nitrogen or iron. Pruning is also necessary. Remove dead, weak, or crossing branches to improve air circulation. Pruning helps the plant focus its energy on producing healthy growth and more fruits. The best time to prune is after the fruiting season. Now let's talk about flowering and fruiting. Sometimes lemon plants produce flowers but drop them without forming fruit. This usually happens due to stress, lack of sunlight, irregular watering, or sudden temperature changes. Make sure your plant is getting consistent care. Also, avoid moving the plant too frequently once it starts flowering. If your lemon plant is growing in a pot, repot it every 1 to 2 years. Choose a slightly bigger pot each time. This allows the roots to expand and supports better fruit production. Pests are another common issue. Keep an eye out for aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies. If you notice sticky leaves or tiny insects, use neem oil spray once a week until the problem is solved. Always spray in the evening to avoid leaf burn. During extreme summer heat, you may need to water more frequently, but always check the soil first. In winter, reduce watering because the plant's growth slows down. With proper sunlight, balanced watering, regular feeding, and occasional pruning, your lemon plant can stay healthy for many years and produce plenty of fresh lemons. Growing lemons at home is not difficult. It just requires consistency and observation. Once you understand your plant's needs, it becomes very easy to care for. If you found this lemon plant care guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other gardening lovers. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.